Investing in cybersecurity, health technology, smart factory, and smart city was the topic of the 8th Annual Investors and Partnering Conference, OktoberINVESTfest. This half-day virtual conference was presented by Europe's tech and manufacturing powerhouse, the German State of Bavaria, in partnership with the City of New York. Investors and experts heard pitches from top innovators from the US and Germany. Rising scale-ups shared personal stories and tips about expanding across the Atlantic, and VCs were upfront about how they are making investment choices today. Most importantly, new valuable contacts were made during what felt like in-person networking. Here at the Bavarian US offices, we aim to foster transatlantic business expansion, innovation, and investment. Please visit our website to learn more and make sure to register for OktoberINVESTfest 2021 in New York City.